Move over, Paul the Octopus. Singapore has its own football tipster in the form of a parakeet called Manny. The 7-year-old bird from Malaysia has become a national sensation, having predicted that Holland, Uruguay, Germany and Spain would make it into the semi-finals and that Spain would beat Germany. Manny has picked the Netherlands to win the championship match, and his owner, fortune teller Muniyapan, has full confidence in the feathered pundit.
Yes, I believe 100% whatever he picks will be right.
Though Manny's recent celebrity is due to his football predictions, he has been helping out locals on questions about marriage and fortune for years in Singapore's historic Little India district.
He's spot on with some of the predictions in the past, and especially when people are buying 4Ds, big swing tickets and all those things. He's a bit a lucky mascot for that.
Balu, the manager of the Kamali Villas restaurant, says that since Manny hit the headlines, people have been flocking to the stall outside to have their fortunes read.
Definitely it will be right, it's going to be, because before it was happened is in a right. So we are also believing that he is also most believing. So we are also believing that it will be definitely it will be good.
The Netherlands and Spain will square off on Sunday for the World Cup final, the first ever for both sides. Stephanie McIntyre, Reuters.